Hey, Bill here with Chacote Outdoor Recreation. You know, it doesn't matter where you go in this world. Every town, every hamlet, every village, even overseas, you're going to find pallets. Pallets are everywhere. They're used extensively in the trucking industry and often discarded in sand lots. You're going to find pallets, I don't care where you live, somewhere there's a pallet. So, little interesting fact about pallet, they're usually made from very good hardwoods. And the nails are not normal nails. The nails that you and I get at the store are regular nails. The nails that come in a pallet are industrial nails. They're much, much stronger, and they're made to industry standards. They have to pass a series of tests that the nails you and I buy don't have to pass. So whenever you get a pallet, you tear one down, save the nails. This next little project I'm going to show you involves the use of pallet board, and really not a lot much. It's very cheap, very inexpensive. I think you're going to dig this, so stick with me. It's going to get interesting. Okay. Okay. And there she is. It's a hell of a nice rustic looking rack, Appalachian style. And that's how you knock one out. Piece of pallet board, a couple of sticks, and there you have it. And 100% made in the USA. Well, I hope you enjoyed that. Till the next time I see you, this is Bill with Chacote Outdoor Recreation. You stay safe, you stay warm, and keep yourself free. Don't throw away those pallet nails. You might just need them.
I'm Carlton Fisk, and I don't smoke, but I still enjoy tobacco. I've joined the millions of guys who use smokeless tobacco, like Copenhagen. Just a little gives me great tobacco flavor. Whether I'm swinging an axe in New Hampshire or a bat in Boston. So try Copenhagen, Skoal, or Happy Days Mint, tobaccos you enjoy without smoking. Take that, Cincinnati!